Everyone, you're welcome to Kharis Tutorials. My name is Simeon Grace. Today I'll be taking us on this lovely top. It's a casual wear called an off shoulder and it's going to have a band. We'll be doing this with just 1 yard of fabric. Yes, 1 yard of fabric, and the fabric I'll be using is a bit stretchy. It's stretchy on one side, so for this measurement I will not be adding anything to the normal measurement. I'll just be folding, just divide by 4 and fold your normal measurement since it's stretchy, so it's tends to expand. This is what we'll be doing today. No lining, just this, and in a few minutes we're gonna be done. So let's move on. Welcome back. First, we're going to fold our fabric, and to do that we're going to use the bust measurements. We have the bust measurement to be 32. I'm using a stretchy fabric here, so I won't be adding any allowance to our measurement. It's just the measurements divided by 4. I have the bust measurement to be 32, so 32 divided by 4 inches is 8 inches, so I'll be folding 8 inches. I've folded my 8 inches, and since it's an off-shoulder dress, I'm going to subtract 4 inches, and we have the full length measurement of 22 plus 1 inch to that. That's the folding allowance. I have 23 inches. The shoulder measurement 13 inches divided by 2 is 6.5. So from the 6.5, I'm going to reduce 1.5 inches. So I have 5 inches. The depth of the neck, that's the thickness, I'm going to measure 5 inches. Remember, it's -4, so I just mark out the 5 inches. I have, for the bust measurement, still -4. To create an armhole, I'm going to measure down 8.5 inches. 8.5. The fabric is stretchy. 8.5. The under bust measurement of 12 inches. 12 inches. So we have the bust. I'm going to measure that on the 8.5 inches, and that is 32 divided by 4. That is 8 inches. 8 inches. So I'm going to bring out the armhole from the 5 inches. I'm going to shaping it out to meet the bust measurement. This is the under bust measurement, which is 12 inches. So under it, I'm going to measure the under bust circumference measurement. That's the band. And we have 26. So 26 divided by 4 is 6.5 inches. I'm not adding any allowance. I'm bringing out the measurements. We have the waist measurement. This is the base of our dress. So almost at the base of the blouse, I'm going to measure the waist measurement, and the waist is 28 inches. So 28 inches divided by 4 is 7 inches. So I have 7 inches. Now from the bust, I'm going to trace out the shape, connecting it from the bust to the other bust circumference and to the waist, then straight down to the base of our dress. This is a stretchy fabric, sorry. Okay. So this is the depth of the neck, 5 inches. I'm going to connect it to the shoulder measurement. So let's cut it out. this is the front. I'm going to place this to cut out the back. I'm cutting out the same thing. You have the front and the back. The next thing we're going to cut is the sleeve. First, we have the round sleeve measurement, and that is 10 inches. So to fold our fabric, I'm going to divide the round sleeve measurement by 2, that is 5. Then to the 5, I'm adding the folding allowance of 3 inches. I'll be folding 8 inches. 8 inches. We have the round shoulder measurements. The round shoulder measurement taken this way. Round shoulder measurement of 36 inches. And on our main blouse, we have 5 inches front. That's 10. When we unfold, we have 10. And the back also is 10. So that is 20. So 20 minus the round shoulder measurement of 36. We're going to subtract 20 from the 36. We have 16 inches. So it means the sleeve, to complete the round shoulder measurement from here, starting from the front to the back, on one side of the sleeve we need 8 inches. On the other side of the sleeve we need 8 inches. So let's go on with the measurements. I have my 8 inches folded, and I have the length of my sleeve 12 inches plus my folding allowance of 1 inch. That's 13 inches. First, I'm going to measure down 4 inches. 4 inches. The round sleeve measurement is 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5 inches. I'm not adding any sewing allowance. Remember, it's a stretchy fabric. So I'm going to slant in all the way from the 4. Okay, from our measurement, from the round shoulder measurement, we need 4 inches. 4 inches. This is my 4 inches. And from there, I'm going to connect it to the 4 inches I measured down. So to fit in to the armhole on the main blouse. Let me cut it out. This is the round sleeve measurement. So this is my 4 inches. No sewing allowance, remember. I am using a stretchy fabric. I'm going to place this to cut out the other sleeve. Okay, this is what we have. First, I'm going to join this together, after which I'll measure down the 2 inches for the cape. I'm going to measure it down and trace it out. So there are 2 ways to approaching that. Is either we measure our 2 inches while cutting and trace it out. After joining, you attach the cape, or first we are going to join this, and after that we'll measure down the 2 inches and cut it out straight before attaching the cape. So I am going to join it first. After the joining, I'll measure the 2 inches and trace it out. So whatever I cut out is what I'll use to cut out my cape. Thanks for watching Kharis tutorials. If you enjoyed the class, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the notification button so you get notification each time we upload a new video. I remain Simeon Grace. Don't forget you can follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at All Africa TV. So follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class. Bye.